Good day. So let us see about basics of package diagram, how you can represent an package diagram in a UML modeling format. So why a package diagram is used? Package diagram normally it represents the structural aspect of the system. It does not show much of the dynamic aspect. So it just shows the structural aspect. And when you have to use a package diagram is for a small size project, package diagram is not necessary. But for a middle to large size project, package diagram design is very, very necessary. And it is called as the organizational unit of the UML modeling language. To organize something, to group something, you use the package diagram. It could be a normal representation, or it could be an hierarchical multi-tiered representation also. Coming to the notations, basically two notations will be used. One is, let me zoom it for you all. So one will look like the folder kind of symbol. Now this represents the package. And then you have links between the packages, which is also called as dependency. So this inside this package, it represents some group of elements, group of objects, and how they behave with how they interact with one another, and what kind of data they use to perform their work. So this is a small example of online shopping system and the overall package diagram. So you have a package called web shopping, mobile shopping, phone shopping, mail shopping, payment, shopping cart, inventory, and customer. So basic level of representation, you can go for this form of representation for your package diagram. Now, apart that is in your relationship, that is your link dependency is what we call, right? Okay, you can keep it plain, or on top of it, you can have some connection tags. Okay, the most famous ones are access, import, merge, use. You have several tags which adds more meaning to the relationship. Say for example, you have merge over here saying almost all means the same, and then use, then one package is going to use the other package to perform its work. Then you have access, one package is totally dependent upon another package to complete its work. Then you have import, you're going to include all the elements of the component, and then you're going to perform your work. So in order to add more meaning to the relationship, we can use the connection tags. So we have merge, we have use, we have access, we have import, and we have many more. But the most commonly used ones are access and import. Then we can have nested representation of package diagram, a package within another package. So if you take an example of Java util date, you can either represent like this as a single package, or you can show it in nested format. And then see, the package name can be either written over here or it could be written inside. It doesn't matter. Anyways, you can represent your name of your package diagram within the folder symbol, within the folder notation. Then this is an example of a nested package diagram where you have one package called com.a business, and then you have another package name called data management. Both it is showing its own subcomponents. So order, accounting, shipping, it's part of another package called com business. Ordering and shipping is again part of another package called data management. Now, say for example, you can represent in many levels. Okay, this is the basic level of representation. If you want to add more detailing, say for example, let's take the ordering package, which can be further, it can be extended, and you can show the details of ordering package. So an ordering package in turn, it contains UI package, order processing package, price calculator package, your storage, various storage kind packages. So you can keep on adding more and more details as we draw many levels of package diagram. But the basic, you start off like this. You start off like this basic, and then you can go for nested, and then you can show more details for each and every single package. Or we have another option, which is layered package representation. So when it comes to layered package representation, we have basically 3 layers. you have your presentation layer, we have your business processing layer, and then we have your database layer or data storage or data layer. So this is the backend mostly. This is your backend. This will represent the front end user interface, and then you have the middle processing layer. So any system will be having, it will be having a backend, it will be having a front end, it will be having the logic part of it, right? So you can represent packages according to the layers. So the packages comes under presentation layer model. We'll be putting it in a separate package model representation. All the logic that is done behind will be represented in another package model, and then the database, the data store will be represented in the next package model. So this is the basic information about your package diagram. Thank you, ma'am.